is a nice, hot, beautiful, sunny day. We're out here on Barberry Beach. It's a public holiday today in the Bahamas. October 12th. It's the National Heroes Day. And we're out here on the Barberry Beach. And oh my gosh, I'm saying it is so lovely out here. I mean, like the sun is just, oh,
so smooth.
the water, the sand. There goes hubby. There goes baby. Bree Bree. She's just enjoying this. Oh my gosh, and tide is low, so we have all this beautiful sand. This is, oh, we should have really brought our tent because the sun is just scorching, like it's really, really hot. And yeah, we're gonna go in the water real soon. Down there we have a group of people down there, but basically guys, we have this whole beach to ourselves and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Like it's like this, oh, I just love it. Is that Peterson Key over there? I think, let me zoom in. There's this key where you can go and do some snorkeling. It's called Peterson Key. It's right up there. My daughter said she's making a sand castle.
I'm making a sand.
She has her doll, baby Lulu. Oh gosh, Lulu goes everywhere with her. Like this doll has been through it all
And
with
she is
Bree.
my special doll. Don't you dare diss her for how she looks.
She's a beautiful doll. I love her.
No, I see you.
She has her, what do you call it? Her dreadlocks. Yeah. And this is me. I am going to be going in the water real soon. Ah. So guys, our beach has curfew. It opens from 5 a.m. until 1 p.m. or 12 noon. So we're basically going to be out here for 1 hour and then we're going to go and do some other family activities. But this is it. We're gonna get in the water, splash around a bit, and have some fun. Okay, so I'm heading in the water now. How is it? Is the water cold? Oh my gosh! It is? I thought this water would be hot. Bree, you don't need to have this mask on. I'm telling you. My daughter had her neck gaiter on, so I'm just carrying this back so she wouldn't get it wet. And I'm headed in the water. Oh my gosh, this water is cold. Ow! Huh?
Bye-bye.
Oh. Ah. I know. I'm just trying to like build up the nerve to dunk myself in the water. I'm gonna go in eventually. Huh? I know. Yeah. Hold on. Okay, so the water is feeling a little bit warmer. I'm going to go in. Oh my gosh, I see a fish! I see a fish! Beach A. Beach A, I see a fish!
Yeah, I told you that.
Where did he go? What kind of fish is it?
How you do the phone?
Huh? What kind of fish is it? That's one of the Palomero. Oh. My bun. Okay guys, so I am going to
Just jump in. Just jump in.
I'm going in. I'm going I'm going in. This one is so cold. Woo! Okay. 7 is my favorite number, so I'm gonna go at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7. You ain't jump all the way in.
Oh, I don't want to get my hair wet.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, this is cold.
Fish! I saw a big fish! I saw a big fish! Literally, it swam past me.
Literally, it swam. Oh, and this is cold.
No.
This is
Once you in it though, it ain't too bad.
Hold the baby. This is how you hold the baby. How to ride the baby.
okay. That's it.
Well, we got 30 minutes. Curfew. But we got the whole beach to ourselves.
Yeah, at least we have an
Oh my
actual
goodness, I've been doing this wrong the whole time.
What?
So guys, we're out here at the Barberry Beach, and my hubby and daughter is in the water.
Mommy, why you come out of the water?
I'm coming back in. Just go in and put up the phone. Yeah, this is beautiful. It's like we literally have the whole beach to ourselves. This is so cool. The water is cold though. I like when the water is like warm. But once you get in, you know, camera down and get back in the water. Okay.